Hello, it's Andrew here at Life and Pig Row, and today we are sowing nasturtiums. And nasturtiums are great for first-time gardeners, they're great for kids, and more importantly, they are edible. You can eat the leaves and you can eat the flowers. So we're going to look at nasturtiums. So here's the nasturtium seed, chunky. Lovely and chunky, lovely to hold, lovely to plant. And I'm going to plant mine into 6-cell trays. And to do that, I am going to put 2 seeds per tray. Don't get greedy. One for you, one for Mr. Slug, just in case Mr. Slug shows up. And we pop them in, like so. Now you can direct sow nasturtium seed if you wish to, and we probably will do with the remaining seed packet, but I like to get them going off in some trays, and that's all I'm going to do now. Fill a tray, and this is how easy it is. Real-time sowing, folks. Of course, not great because it's really hard to hold the camera and sow at the same time. So there you go, 1, 2. In it goes. 1, 2. Come on. There we go. And that's them sown. That's a whole seed tray sown. Going to pinch them closed now. Pinch. Pinch. And this is why it's really good for kids. Getting them to sow seed, getting them to sow big seeds. Because it doesn't matter if they mess it up. Because they're easy to find if you drop them on the soil. And on the compost, there you go, whole tray there, gonna label it, gonna water it, gonna put it somewhere warm in an unheated greenhouse, and in a few weeks time we're gonna have little seedlings. So what then? Well, when it gets a few good leaves going on it, real leaves, not just seed leaves, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it outside on my staging, which I've built recently. You can see that on our blog, and then I'm going to just harden them off, bringing them in, bringing them out, bringing them in, bringing them out for a week, and when they're ready, I'm going to put them wherever I'm going to plant them. Just going to let them sit there, let them acclimatise, and in a few weeks' time, I'll plant them straight into the ground when all risk of frost is gone. So, that's it from me at Life and Pig Row. We're here every Saturday with practical videos, either in the kitchen or the garden. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.